He has two different eye colors.
Oh, look at that. Those eyes. They're two different colors.
Are you getting a video? Okay. Come over here and look at
It's like logic. It's like, what the hell are you doing?
Where are you?
it. It's crushing.
This is so weird. Look at the other one's facial expression.
I know, it's like dying. Oh god. He's gonna crush you.
He's like, he's happy, I guess. That's, oh god, there's one that's like escaped him over there.
Are you still videotaping? Good. Oh my god.
Oh
Uh-oh.
There's like another one in there too.
Oh shit, are they gonna fight? Oh my god.
no! Are they both doing it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Now let's go onto the glutes.
I don't think it's massaging. It doesn't like move.
What do you think it's doing then, Michael?
It's kneading on him. You know they do that?
You have a person clean his bed to knead on. I feel bad for it, kinda.
I think maybe we should disturb that one so it stops. Don't do that.
Oh, wait, maybe it likes it.
It likes it.
This is scary, and that black one's staring at me. Oh god. Oh god. This is so weird. Oh my god, it's so weird.
This is like the magic.